Okay, so I wanted to show you how I uploaded this old recipe. If you just take a picture or scan it and upload it into Cricut Design Space, it's going to be really hard to get out all of this dark spots and the lines and anything that is probably on an old piece of paper. So I heard of this app called Adobe Capture. So it is in the Google Play Store. I'm sure it's in the iPhone too. So go to Adobe Capture CC and install it, and then you're going to open it. And it comes up with this, and it has on the bottom all these different types of things you can do. But for this, I'm going to have it on shapes. And what I'm going to do is hold it over that. And if you click this slide button down here, you'll see that more of the black shows up or less of it. So I'm going to go down to where the lines are gone, and it's pretty good, and then click the button. Okay, so now you have that, and I'm going to go into crop this. So I'm just going to move these 4 things so I kind of get most of the black out of the sides. And then I'm going to go into up here, refine. And down here I'm going to click this one. And then you can go in and actually erase things with your finger. So like that. And this. You can erase a little bit of that. And this whole spot right here. I kind of rub around on it and push on it. You'll see that it goes away. And up here, and then I'm going to move it over, try to get this spot out, this one. So you'll just kind of have to play with it. If you do too much, you can hit the back button. And then once I have it pretty good, take that one out. I'm going to hit the smooth button up here and push on. And that kind of smooths it all out on its own. And then once that's done, I'm going to hit the next button and then you can hit the save, or you can upload it to Illustrator or Photoshop if you have that. I do not, so I'm just going to upload it to phone or your library and hit save. And now let's see if I can find it. If you go back to the beginning, these are the ones we have. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up, and then it has the share function. So I'm going to hit the share, and down here where it says export as, I'm going to click that, and you can save it as an SVG, which is awesome. So I'm going to click that, and then you can save it to wherever you want. I put mine in my Google Drive or my photos, because then I can upload it, or I can access it on my computer really easily, and then put it in Cricut Design Space that way. So then once you get into Cricut Design Space, the back will be all blank, and you'll just have the black spot. So it works awesome. So for these kind of projects, I highly recommend that. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.